You know what's crazy? The average person wastes over 21 days a year just figuring out what to do next. That's 3 full weeks, gone, on indecision and unnecessary tasks. And the truth is, life often feels harder than it really is, not because it's complicated, but because we complicate it. But what if there's one rule that makes life feel 10x easier? Stick with me, because once you hear this, you'll start looking at your daily routine in a whole new way. Here's the thing. Most people think making life easier is about doing less. But actually, it's about doing differently. And today I'll show you the one principle that changes everything. And don't worry, I'll also give you real-life examples you can start using right after this video. Let me ask you something. Have you ever sat down to get work done, and then spent 20 minutes just scrolling your phone? Or told yourself you'll clean the kitchen, but then you stare at the mess and suddenly feel too tired to even start? Yeah, we've all been there. The problem isn't laziness, it's the way our brain reacts to overwhelm. We freeze when things feel too big or too messy. So here's the rule: effortless intentionality. Sounds fancy, but it's simple. Focus your energy only on what truly matters, and break it down into micro steps. Think of it like this. Instead of writing, clean the kitchen, on your list, write, put dishes in dishwasher, wipe the counter, sweep the floor. Suddenly, it's not one giant scary task, it's 3 tiny wins. And every time you tick something off, your brain releases dopamine. It's like giving yourself a mini high five. The same goes for decisions. Did you know you only have a limited amount of decision energy each day? That's why people like Steve Jobs wore the same outfit every day. He wasn't trying to look cool, he just didn't want to waste brainpower on shirts. You can do the same. Plan your meals for the week, keep a simple morning routine, or set your clothes the night before. That way, your brain saves its energy for things that actually matter. And here's the kicker. Life gets easier not when you avoid effort, but when you direct effort to the right places. Most people waste energy scrolling when they want connection, shopping when they want fulfillment, or staying busy when they actually want purpose. But when you start asking, what really matters right now, you unlock the door to an easier life. Literally, it's like having the giant key that finally fits the lock. So let's recap. 1. Focus only on what matters. 2. Break big tasks into micro steps. 3. Automate small decisions to save your mental battery. Do this daily and you'll notice life doesn't just feel easier, it feels lighter. Now I want to hear from you. What's one thing in your life that feels way harder than it should? Drop it in the comments. I'll reply with a simple hack to make it easier. And if you found this helpful, check out my other video on productivity hacks that'll save you hours every week. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it.